Have you ever wondered how you can make a full-time income from home without needing to create your own products or services? In today's video, we're revealing the secrets that top marketers use to crush Pinterest affiliate marketing. Stay with us because missing out on these insider tips could mean missing out on thousands of dollars every month. First, let's talk about the importance of creating Pinterest boards that resonate with your target audience. Your boards are the foundation of your Pinterest account. They determine how users find and interact with your content. When you set up your boards, think about what categories your target audience is most interested in. Are they into do-it-yourself crafts, travel tips, or perhaps healthy recipes? Now, organizing these boards comes next. You need to create clear, specific board titles that are relevant and filled with keywords that your audience is likely to search for. For example, instead of naming a board travel, a better option would be Best Travel Destinations 2024. The specificity makes your board more searchable and appealing. But don't stop there. Each board should have an engaging and descriptive bio. Use this space to tell visitors exactly what they can expect to find and why it's valuable for them. This helps with search rankings and sets clear expectations for your audience. Now, let's get down to pinning. The pins you add to these boards should be a combination of your content and repins from other credible sources. High-quality images and informative, eye-catching descriptions are key to making your pins stand out. The aim is to create a visually appealing board that holds valuable content, encouraging your audience to keep coming back. Wondering how often you should pin? A consistent pinning schedule is crucial. Aim for daily pinning to keep your boards active and engaging. Tools like Tailwind can help automate this process, ensuring consistent engagement without the need for daily manual effort. Are you finding yourself inspired to start organizing or revamping your Pinterest boards? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course. Tailored to shift you from planning to action, this course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. All right, let's talk about boosting your Pinterest game by mastering the art of board titles, description, and categories for SEO. To start, think about your target audience. What are they passionate about? Do-it-yourself project, travel, healthy recipes? Figuring this out will guide your board categories. The more closely aligned your boards are to their interests, the more likely they are to engage. When it comes to board title, specificity is your ally. Instead of something general like travel, consider a more searchable option like Top Exotic Travel Locations 2024. This makes it easier for people to find you when they're searching for something specific. Keywords are crucial here. You want to use terms your audience is likely to type into the search bar. Next up, board descriptions. Don't skip this part. Use this space to give a clear, engaging summary of what visitors can find on your board. Describe its value and why it's worth their time. Not only does this help your search rankings, but it also sets expectations, drawing in the right audience. Now, let's get into pinning strategies. Your board should be a mix of your own high-quality content and repins from reputable sources. Make sure every pin has an engaging description and a high-quality image. Visual appeal is key in keeping people interested and coming back for more. Consistency is king in the Pinterest world. Aim to pin daily to keep your boards fresh and engaging. Consider using tools like Tailwind to automate your pinning schedule, making it easier to maintain consistency without daily effort. So, what kind of board titles will you come up with to captivate your audience and optimize for SEO? The first step in curating engaging Pinterest boards is to truly understand your audience. Are they looking for do-zero-it-yourself projects, travel guides, or healthy recipes? Identifying their interests will guide your board categories. The more closely aligned your boards are to what they love, the more likely they are to engage with your content. When naming your board, specificity is crucial. Instead of opting for something broad like travel, go for a more searchable option such as Top Exotic Travel Locations 2024. This increases your chances of being found when people search for that specific topic. Keywords play a significant role here, so think about the terms your audience might use in a search bar. Next, don't overlook board descriptions. Use this space effectively to provide a clear, engaging summary of what visitors can expect. Describe the board's value and why it's worth checking out. Good descriptions can help boost your search rankings and ensure that you're drawing in the right audience. For pinning strategies, a mix of your own high-quality content and repins from reputable sources works best. Ensure each pin has an engaging description and a high-quality image. Visual appeal is key to keeping your audience interested and encouraging them to return. Consistency is vital. Aim to pin regularly to keep your boards fresh and engaging. Tools like Tailwind can automate your pinning schedule, making it easier to maintain consistency without the need to pin manually every day. What are some of your favorite ways to keep your Pinterest boards updated and engaging? Let me know in the comments.